Hey, what's up everyone? It's Ryan here from CZR Tech. Now, I'm traditionally not the type of person to pay up premium for my accessories, but recently I've been getting into the more expensive side of PC gaming. A core part of any gaming experience is the headset or speakers you're using, and I had never thought anything of that. So for me, premium gaming headsets never really meant anything to me. When I wanted to finish my Razer setup, however, it just wouldn't be complete without one of their RGB headsets. I decided to go flagship with my purchase and get the Razer Man O War wireless, as that always seemed to be advertised as their premium product. Starting with the design, the Man O War looks very clean, sporting an all-black color scheme with two RGB LEDs located on either side of the ear cups. As with all Razer products using Synapse, the Man O War can sync with any Chroma-enabled devices. Although, at the time of recording this video, the Man O War is only compatible with Synapse 2.0. This isn't a deal breaker, but it significantly limits the RGB combinations that would be possible if it used 3.0, and some chroma syncing setups may be impossible due to differences in compatibility. The headset doesn't squeeze too tight on the band, but after a few hours it might be a bit strainful. However, it's nothing more than any other middleweight headset. The headset ear cups can actually turn inward a significant amount to lay them on your chest or to put them on your desk flat. This motion highlights one issue someone may have with the headset though. That plastic being used isn't the densest material ever, and the strain felt on the twisting bands here is really evident of that. Though, being fair, it's the only part of the headset that feels that cheaply made. As for the obligatory mic test, well, this entire video's audio was actually recorded using the Man O War's microphone, so you can judge that for yourself. One of the standout features of this headset is the 7.1 surround sound. Now, this element is a bit tricky to deal with. On one hand, there are a few headsets where the 7.1 surround is really well implemented and allows for competitive advantages in many games. On the other hand, the vast majority of headsets advertising 7.1 surround sound sacrifice audio quality for lackluster implementations that sound terrible. So where does the Man O War stand? I would say the 7.1 in the headset is very well implemented. In Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six Siege at a high volume level, I could hear people from what felt like halfway across the map, and I was accused of using wall hacks many times by getting lucky kills through walls. Certainly, the Man O War isn't the only headset capable of that, but it is one of very few. Otherwise, the Man O War also has standard stereo and mono settings, which sound fine compared to other headsets. So, would I recommend this headset for its retail price of around $170? Yes, I would, especially if you have other Chroma-enabled devices. The amount of customization options, the wireless quality, and the fairly decent microphone make this headset very worthy of its price tag. Though, just note that you may have to downgrade to an old version of Synapse to enjoy these features. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. Like if you liked it and dislike if you didn't, and be sure to comment down below if you have something to say regarding this headset. Have a good day, and we'll see you in the next video.